Hi guys, what's up? Today we're gonna open these three stuff. So I have this Labubu Pokemon stuff and this lock thing and the eraser. So which one should I open? Let's go with the small one to the big one. So let's go this. And boom! It's open. So let's see. Let's look at this first. This little spaceman. Say hi. He's so cute. He's so cutesy. And this little lamp. The sheep. Hello, it's so pretty. And the stocks. The keys. Ooh, very nice. And this fun. Wait. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, now next one. Dun, dun, dun. This one. Let's go this. Let's unbox it. Boom. We got it. Look at this. And this. Ooh, so pretty. I don't know Japanese and Chinese, so all I can see is 2.1 M and 460.0 kg. All I can see is this, and the numbers right down there. The fat thing. Dun, dun, dun. Now let's go with this. Look how pretty is it. Let me just. Boom. This Labubu. Wait, let me tell. 妈咪，你觉得这个是Labubu还是 Teacher 压给我的？
是不是哦？
呀。
我问他的是。
问他。
怎么还给你这些东西？
全部人都有啊，一样的。
怎么有
I don't know. How should I know? Ask him.
没看东西谁的人另外的。
Wait, let me unbox. Boom. It's capybara. Capybara. So many capybara. This is so slay. Slay when you wanna slay. And see you guys. Bye bye. Have a great day.